Protect your valuable smartphone with the easy-to-install screen protector from NALIA. Our set includes everything you need to optimally protect your screen. Just follow the steps below to protect your device from damage. Step 1. Prepare the display. Place the anti-slip mat under your smartphone. Use the damp cleaning cloth to remove dust, dirt, and fingerprints from the screen, then dry it thoroughly with the high-quality microfiber cloth. Insert the alignment tool into the charging port and use the dust remover sticky sticker to remove any remaining dust. Step 2. Correct application of the screen protector. Adjust the 4 holes of the screen film. Place the protective film on the screen, making sure that the camera cutouts line up properly. Run your finger over the green area to attach the display film to the center of the display. Step 3. Attachment to the smartphone. Remove the upper carrier protection film with the squeegee by stroking outwards from the center. Remove the application aid and repeat the process for the lower carrier film. Peel off the backing film and attach the screen protector to the edges of your screen by stroking from the inside out. Step 4. Eliminate air bubbles. Use the included squeegee or microfiber cloth to quickly and easily remove any remaining air bubbles. Congratulations! Your smartphone is now optimally protected. Your new NALIA screen protector is securely attached and protects your screen from scratches, cracks, and other damage. And don't worry, the fingerprint scanner will still work just fine. Give your device the best protection it deserves. If you have problems with the fingerprint scanner, we recommend that you increase the sensitivity of the screen in your smartphone settings and then set up the fingerprint again to guarantee full compatibility with the screen protector. Attaching the protective camera glass. For the perfect positioning of the camera glass, follow steps 1 to 3. Step 1. Thoroughly clean the camera with the damp cleaning cloth and the microfiber cloth. Remove the last dust particles with the dust remover adhesive sticker. Step 2. Perfect alignment of the camera protection glass. Make sure the camera protection glass is positioned perfectly aligned over the camera. Attach the glass to the smartphone by pressing it perpendicularly onto the camera until it sticks. Done. Your smartphone is now fully protected.